my post. Now I know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to turn this into an air cooling rack for the ingots that I'm going to pour when I start melting and doing foundry work. So this is exciting, but it does mean that I got to cut all the extra stuff off of it so I'm ready to go when it is ready to go, when I am ready to start with the foundry work. So I've got to get this thing scrapped down. In the meantime, let's get to it. I love the smell of burning galvanized metal in the morning.